With the Xooec Iris Smart Lock, we're proud to empower people with technology and reasonable price that was once only a science fiction. No matter what you're carrying in the way of groceries or parcels, Xooec has a detection distance up to 80 centimeters. When you're close, it will unlock within 1 second. Guess what? It can easily recognize when someone is wearing glasses too, or with a funny expression on their face, or with a different stylish makeup characteristic. Iris recognition probability of misidentification is much lower than other biometric methods. Iris data requires specialized equipment for collection. Iris recognition technology uses sophisticated algorithms and bioassay detection. This eliminates data replication. It is the most secure biometric authentication methods currently available. Even the twins look absolutely the same, but everyone's iris is unique and never changes.
What's going on? Why I cannot come in?
See, we've got the same face, but you still can't come in. See, this is my new toy. The eyes can control the door. That's the key.
Wow, I'm coming.
Hey! Meticulously engineered for real-world use, is built with aluminum alloy explosion-proof materials. 5.2 inches touchscreen, touch doorbell, key tag, wrist recognition camera, up to 80 centimeters recognition distance, quick start and auto outage, enhanced triple the lifespan of batteries, Iris algorithm module, complete data matching in 1 second, conceal mechanical unlock, no risk of biometric data. All data is 100% stored locally. Child-friendly to use Xooec Iris Recognition Smart Door Lock. Smart security is effortless. Access for all ages. Xooec's vision of a future where your eyes, not your keys, unlock with a glance.